girl, Jessleaveittome, on the channel where you can just leave it to me. And today I am here with a very, very special guest, my grandma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Today we will be transforming my grandma into a hot, sexy mama.
Hello.
Isn't that right?
That's right. This
is going to be like a Valentine's Day inspired look, and I just kind of wanted just to do her makeup. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so to begin, I should probably tell you guys that I am not at all an MUA of any sorts. I just know how to do my face and my face only. But we're gonna give this a try today. So moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. And then you have to prime. So Granny, have you ever been on a date before?
No.
No?
I'm going to try it for this coming Valentine's Day.
Do you have any options?
Maybe I'll go to Steve
Hobby?
My friend. I'll go to his show to find me a nice looking guy.
Oh yeah, Steve is a matchmaker. So Steve, if you're out there, we're looking for somebody for my granny.
Mm-hmm.
She's single and ready to mingle.
That's right.
Maybe I'll call Denzel Washington.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
maybe
he's married.
Oh, it's okay.
So have you ever got a Valentine's Day present?
Yes.
Ooh, what did you get?
From a secret admirer.
Who was the secret admirer? Did you ever find out who they were?
No, I don't know who that is.
No, never?
Mm-hmm.
So what did they get you?
Box of candy, chocolate.
Do you like chocolate?
Sometimes.
Did you like chocolate that time?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
So now we're going to conceal your eyebrows. Do you know what concealer is?
No, I don't.
No. So actually, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just something you use to conceal. Makeup 101. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am not an MUA, but watch me slay this face. Do you know what slay means now? Slay, you know what it means? Oh.
I don't know anything. You tell me.
Who's your favorite music artist?
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown! Why do you like Chris Brown?
I just like him.
Have you ever been to, would you go to a Chris Brown concert?
I've never been to a Chris Brown's concert, but if you want to take me, I'll go.
Girl, me too.
Chris Brown.
Okay. Put your eyebrows regular. Like, just look at me. Hold on, people. Eyebrows aren't my strongest suit. So when you were a teenager, did you go on any dates to like the movies in Ghana?
See, when I was growing, I didn't know anything about
dates and
makeups, anything about romantic things.
Yeah.
I was just holy girl. They used to call me holy girl.
Oh yeah, did you say you wanted to be a nun?
A nun, yes. When I was growing.
So what happened to you being a nun?
I don't know. Sometimes it depends. The family you come from.
Yeah.
Sometimes you the child, you want to do something, but you don't have the family, the foundation
support.
from them, the support for you to go forward.
Yeah, that's very true.
See?
Yeah.
That is why I got married when I was young, because my family didn't have enough money to bring me up or something. So they have to get help somewhere. And so that's why I got married when I was young. Yes. Anything that happens, I think it happens for a reason.
Other than Ghana, have you traveled anywhere else that you like the best, even if it's in the States?
Oh, yes, one time I went to vacation in Florida.
Oh,
Disney World.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I have pictures too.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
I've never
Maybe
seen
one day I will look and then find out. We went there for honeymoon.
Oh, nice. Oh,
That's
Valentine.
right.
That's your Valentine. You say you never had a Valentine.
Oh, well, that's right. That's true. We went and stayed there for 1 week.
Oh, wow. That's a long time at Disney World.
I was so happy. When we got married, that time, I was the happiest woman in the whole world.
In the whole world?
My goodness. I was so happy. And even after that time, I used to work at Jefferson Hospital. And then all the co-workers, they all knew that I was really in love. And when Ben comes there, oh my goodness, everybody was so happy to see him.
Because they knew how happy he made you?
Yes, yes. A very handsome, nice looking, tall, handsome guy.
Ooh.
Oh, that time, oh.
Hunka.
Yes. When we divorced, later on he came to talk to me that we come back together again, but I said no.
Oh, really? Why?
I'm gone.
That's I know that's right. Because once you lose you forever, huh?
Yes.
He didn't know a good thing when he had it.
Yeah, that's right. After I left, or after he let me go, then he knew he has lost something, and he said that to me. Yes.
How did you feel when you came to America?
How did I feel? By the time I got off from the plane to the airport, I wanted to go back home. I came in December. It was cold. I wanted to go back. And that was first time I met the pastor, Billy Graham.
Who's that?
He's a pastor, long time pastor in America.
You met him?
Yeah, I met him personally.
Oh, how?
He was at the airport. He was talking to me, and then he saw my African material that I was wearing.
So when you first came to America, what was your favorite American food?
I think it's fried chicken.
Fried chicken? Like Popeyes? Oh, that's why you like Popeyes so much?
Fried chicken. I just like the regular fried chicken.
Well, this is coming out. You don't have too much wrinkles at all. What's your secret recipe to not a lot of wrinkles?
God is taking good care of me.
So, Granny, who is your favorite grandkid?
It's me. It's me.
It's me.
It's all of you.
You can't have a lot of favorites.
Okay, it's you.
Excuse me?
Well, it's you means it's you.
I'll sing you a song.
Okay, go ahead. Oh my goodness!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But I won't be if she stops singing.
Oh my god.
Okay, so now you have to look up to the sky. This is what MUAs let their people do. If you won the lottery today, what is the first thing you would do?
I would like to hold my head and tell you something good. I'll just thank God and thank all of you, and then I'll buy each of you a car.
A car?
A car, yeah. I'll buy a car. I'll buy everybody.
How generous of you. Would you tell anybody that you won the lottery? No?
I won't tell anybody.
So, Granny, when you go on a date for Valentine's Day, who pays? Who's supposed to pay?
Oh, that man will pay, not me.
Isn't that how it's always supposed to be?
That's right. That's how it's supposed to be. If you're not ready to pay, don't come and take me to your date.
Period.
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 So we're gonna put highlighter. Do you know what highlighter is?
Some pencil?
No.
Whatever it is.
It is something that makes you shiny.
Shiny, okay.
And people love it.
Anything that will make me look pretty the way you want it, that's fine with me.
Because you trust me?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're putting on eyeliner a little bit, just a little bit. I'm not good at eyeliner. So hopefully I don't poke your eyes. Oh, I don't know if it's going in a line, but it's going somewhere. Here is some mascara. Okay, so of course this look wouldn't be complete if we didn't add a marvelous wig on top. So now I'm about to put her wig on and we're gonna complete the look. Ta-da!
Oh my goodness, I look so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. So here is our final look.
I look so beautiful.
Yes. How old do you feel?
Oh, I feel like I'm 21 years old.
That sounds good to me.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us in yet another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, I'll see you then.
Thank you.
You're welcome.